We're discussing poverty reduction, Afro-capitalism, and the role of entrepreneurs. Any power the president needs that will help us fight the monster that we call poverty and reduce it in Nigeria should be supported by everyone. And as I say, we need to look at certain laws of the land and see how we can improve our laws so that we support our entrepreneurs. If our entrepreneurs succeed, Nigeria succeeds. There is a nexus. There is mutual destiny between the private sector and the public sector. We should stop discriminating. We should begin to work together so that our people will be better. As I said in my speech, I welcome every initiative that helps to reduce poverty. We can only do more. So we'll keep asking for more of our leaders. But so far, so good, but we need more.